I'm Jordan Soto with Ringba, and today I have with me Business Development Manager Shane Hitchcock. In this video, we're going to explain what Stir Shaken is and how Ringba helps.
The ability to spoof phone numbers has been a hot topic in the industry for a while now, as robocallers utilize this for outbound calling. And whether you like it or not, Stir Shaken is here to attempt to provide a solution. From a high level, Stir Shaken uses digital certificates passed through the SIP header of a phone call from the calling party and their originating provider to the called or receiving party and their terminating provider in an effort to validate the call. And there are varying levels of validation, or as it's referred to, attestation. You have full, partial, or gateway attestation. And so this has been completely rolled out by the largest carriers. You can think T-Mobile or Verizon. Meanwhile, some of the smaller carriers are still adapting to the change, and Ringba's got you covered. And so we are getting ahead of the curve and actually attaching tags to every call that shows any attestation or validation data that's passed by the carrier. Real quickly, let me show you what that looks like within Ringba's reporting. All right, awesome. So from within reporting, we can come in here and take a look at this call. And coming to the tag section, you can see that we've got our shake and stir validated or shake and stir attestation. And of course, you can use these tags for filtering or routing purposes. I do want to clarify, though, that we only grab these tags if it's passed from our carrier partners. If it's not available, they will not populate as tags. But if they are, this is where you will find them.
Thanks, Shane. This video is brought to you by Ringba. Ringba is the call tracking platform trusted by industry-leading pay-per-call companies. Connect your online marketing to your offline sales and get the data you need to drive revenue with Ringba. To learn more about how Ringba is changing the future of pay-per-call, visit www.ringba.com.